Alright guys, so today I am working on a tiny closet and it abuts to a chimney. So behind the wall where the shelves are is an actual chimney that they drywalled in many years ago. I already painted the wood paneling. I did have a video on that. All it was a Behr Premium Plus paint and primer, plain white from Home Depot. And today I'm using a vinyl wall covering from Home Depot, and I will put a link in the description box. But anyway, I've been working on this since last week and I should have taken a video. I took pictures but not a video, so there's still plenty to see and plenty to do. This was old style drywall here and looks really gross and disgusting, and that's why I'm working on it. So up here you can see I haven't gotten to the place yet. So this paper is coming off of the drywall. We had that happen in many places in this house and we've taken care of pretty much all of them. So anyway, what I did last weekend is put liquid nails behind some of this vinyl wall covering from the depot. I think it's $25 for a 4x8 sheet. So we had some scraps left over and all I did was just cut it to size and place it over the area that the paper is coming off. So with liquid nails, just the heavy duty. So what will happen is I'm going to get some beadboard, MDF beadboard, which is pretty thin, and then cover up all of these areas back here just to give you some perspective. It's hard to see when everything's so white. So I'm patches in the wall where if I peel this drywall paper off, it will just literally make a hole and then I can't paint the drywall. So I put the vinyl covering on where the paper was really peeling away and looking terrible and gross and disgusting, and I let it dry for a full week because it is Thanksgiving week. So now I'm back and I've actually painted some of it just to test it. I did a little strip and I bent the strip to see if the paint would peel off or anything. This wall covering is awesome. It's actually paintable. It goes down with liquid nails really quickly, and I'm just having fun with this. Also, I forgot to mention that I just cut this vinyl wall covering with scissors, plain old scissors that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. I mean, you can't use like a hobby scissor or anything, but just regular scissors. They don't even need to be like a sewing scissor. And the great thing about that is it doesn't have to be exact, because in this house, the walls are not square or plumb, whatever term you want to use. So if I, for example, if I started here at the top of this little area, from here to here is about 8 inches, but from here to here to here is probably about 7.5. So the beauty of this is you can cut it on a slant at an angle. And like I said, I'm just kind of using this to replace the drywall paper. And then I am going to put some paneling over top of this. And this is pretty good. It's just regular drywall. The paper didn't come off of this. So, but for some reason this side of the thing looks pretty good. So I didn't have to do much over here. There were a couple of areas you'll see down here where I did have to use the paper. So I'm in the process of painting. See over here in this corner, this is the vinyl covering, and this is the regular drywall paper. I tried to clean it, but the stains aren't coming off, and I thought, what can I do? And then I remembered we had some of the vinyl covering from another project, so I went ahead and started getting this place prepared for beadboard paneling. And I do have some leftover beadboard panels from another project. This obviously isn't cut to the proper size because it's just a scrap. I wanted to see how it would look in there. And I think it'll look pretty nice once I have it all the way up the vertical wall. So stay tuned.